This is Prometheus. He stole fire from the gods and brought it to humans. An action more or less comparable to what I am doing now when I am teaching you clean code. My name is Liviu. This is a picture of me when I'm not programming. I've been a programmer for 13 years. I have 10 years of PHP experience, 2 years of Java, a year of Python, and nobody is safe from JavaScript. I discovered when I started that if you program a certain way, it will be easy for yourself later to maintain that code. It enabled me to finish my task faster. It helped me to reuse a lot of my code. After I discovered clean code, I discovered that I was not alone. There are actually a lot of people like me. There is a science, because it is a science. You can learn it. It's not an art. It has rules, and if you follow these rules, you will write clean code, easy to maintain code. Martin Fowler said, any fool can write code that a computer can understand. Good programmers write code that humans can understand. I agree with him. And actually, I've met a lot of these fools that he's talking about. I've met starters and juniors who wrote code difficult to work with, but that's normal. First, you learn how to tell the machine what to do, then you learn how to tell the people that work on your code what to do. Sadly, I've met seniors, team leaders that seem to lack some sort of empathy. They couldn't understand why writing code in a complex way would make it hard for somebody else to work on it. Or they seem to think it's everybody else's fault for being stupid. Some of them were very intelligent people that wrote unintelligible code. Their code either killed a project or traumatized it for life. They didn't write clean code, they didn't keep things simple, they didn't think about the person that comes after them, or even worse, they tried to show off. You had to either rewrite their code, prepare to be very patient, or find another project or job because it was hell maintaining code written like this, especially after a few months. There is a mean joke about stupid people. When you are dead, you don't know that you are dead. It is difficult only for the others. It is the same when you are stupid. The same joke can be made for people that don't write clean code. They don't know they don't write clean code, and it's difficult only for the others. Somebody said, always code as if the guy who ends up maintaining your code will be a violent psychopath who knows where you live. This is an exaggeration, of course. It makes very well, though, the point that you should care about the person that comes after you. If you wrote a line and I have to read it 3 times to understand it, you've done a poor job. When programming, you should keep asking yourself, will somebody that reads this for the first time be able to understand what I wrote? If not, to rewrite and simplify. The expensive part of projects is maintaining them. When you write new code, you have to maintain and understand the old code. If your code base is clean, it will be your friend and help you. If your code base is bad, it will be your enemy. It will even make you new enemies in the business and management teams. For example, small methods are very reusable and help you finish your task early with code that is already written and tested in productions. Large methods, on the other hand, is where bugs like to hide. So Grady Booch said, clean code reads like well-written prose. I had something like this in mind before I knew what clean code was. I was thinking that good code reads close to natural speech. Maybe I just haven't read enough well-written prose to say something so elegant. But yeah, clean code should be easy to read. You shouldn't see variables like pbag, statements like status not equals 1, and all sort of other unholy code. Please don't do that. We should leave our children a world full of beautiful code and not a bad code dystopia.